This is a serious plot twist in the global chip war. Japan's Rapidus just hit a huge milestone in the 2-nanometer race, and it's going to shake up the power balance between Samsung, TSMC, and the rest of the world. Because if Rapidus pulls this off, TSMC and Samsung won't be the only elite players anymore. Rapidus has started test production of 2-nanometer chips in its brand new fab in Hokkaido, Japan. That's one of the most advanced chip sizes in the world, and until now, only 2 companies have reached it, TSMC and Samsung. Now, Japan is officially in the game, and that changes everything. Right now, TSMC and Samsung dominate the 2-nanometer space. They build the chips for Apple, Nvidia, Qualcomm, they control supply, they set the prices. But once Rapidus enters production, there's another option on the table. More competition means less control for TSMC and Samsung. They'll face pressure to innovate faster, lower costs, and maybe even lose some of their biggest clients. Governments and tech giants may shift orders to Rapidus just to reduce their dependence on Taiwan or South Korea.
And here's the thing, Rapidus isn't just some small player. They've got IBM's help, ASML's cutting-edge EUV machines, and over 150 engineers trained in the US. Big names like Toyota, Sony, and NTT are backing them. This is Japan's big comeback. TSMC and Samsung? They can't ignore this. Rapidus is targeting mass production by 2027, and they've already begun testing. That's fast. And it's happening just as demand for AI chips and next-gen devices is exploding. This could mean losing deals, losing clients, and losing dominance. For the first time in years, TSMC and Samsung have a real rival at the top level. Now, of course, Rapidus still has to prove they can do this at scale, with high yield and low costs. But former Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger said it clearly. If they find their secret sauce, Rapidus could be a serious threat. The global chip game just got a new challenger, and the giants, they just felt the heat. What do you think? Can Rapidus pull this off? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because this chip race is just heating up, and Japan might just be back on top.